Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a cordless drill set from PARKSIDE. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid $17.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do is show you the outer box, show you the product itself, and then I will show you some other accessories which you can see towards the left side of your screen. So let's get started. So this one is, I believe, the smallest cordless drill that PARKSIDE makes. It comes with a medium-sized box. Again, what you are paying for, or what if you wish to buy it, you are getting a lot of product for the amount of money you will be paying for this one. So let's just zoom in. One thing to pay attention on this one is that it doesn't come with a battery charger or the battery. So keep that in mind if you're going to buy this one. But again, the battery and the battery charger will cost $12.99 and the drill itself will cost $17.99, which roughly with 30 pounds you can buy both, and still you are getting a lot of product for that amount of money. Now this specific one comes with 3-year warranty, so I'm going to zoom in some information here. You can pause and read those at any point in time. You can use it for metal and masonry, but again it has some technical specifications as to the max millimeters that is able to be used, so keep that in mind. Towards the bottom left of the box, some other information here, and this specific one uses a universal battery that a lot of other PARKSIDE tools use. So if you were to buy the battery charger and the battery, then you should be able to use it with any other product that is illustrated here from what you can see. So let's go zoom out. So this is the information on the front. Let's check the sides. Nothing on the sides besides the sticker on the box itself. It's the same thing on the right side. And on the bottom, some other information. Again, it states bare unit, no battery or battery charger. Let's check the top. And the top will have some illustrative pictures showing how you can use it. Again, for small projects, if you have a small workshop, this type of tool is absolutely fine. So we haven't checked the back. And the back normally has instructions and contents on different languages. So the top left will be the English one. Again, you can zoom in, you can pause to check and read it if you wish. And some information on the bottom left, bottom right, and that's it pretty much. So let me just zoom out. Now to get this out of the box, just slide it left or right. It should be absolutely fine. And then you get the cardboard out of it. Nothing else in there. Now this specific box comes with a small lock option if you wish to put one. And to open it, you just pull the hinges back. And that's it pretty much. And there is two parts. The top part that has a glove box, a glove option that comes with the instruction manual or owner's manual with the option of a barcode for an online PDF guide. Now, normally what you see in the box, you wouldn't see the charger or the battery, which I'm going to take out just to show you. So once you open the box, if you buy it new, you should be able to see that. But once you buy the battery and the battery charger, it should look like this. So it has the place to house them, and this is as simple as that. Now, just before I show you the product itself, I'm going to show you what the battery and the battery charger packaging looks like. In this case, I have opened this one, but I'm going to try to show you as close to it as the original it was. So this is the battery charger, the battery, the actual original packaging, and then of course this would be a 2 ampere hour 4-volt battery with a 3-year warranty on the product itself. Now the information on the back. Now this specific one is $12.99, but I managed to get it with 30% off, and I paid for it $8.39. So let me leave this on the side. So let me just show you the charger. Very simple charger. Red indicating that it's charging, and green it will indicate that it's actually fully charged. You can actually hang it on the wall if you wish to. Charger itself is very simple. So let me just take the battery. The way to pop it in there, you just slide it in. The lights will come out when you plug it to the plug socket or to the electricity itself. And it's as simple as that. And once your battery is charged, you should be able to slide it in the actual drill. If I were able to find the side of it. There we are. And that's it. That's what the drill looks like. But let me just get the box out of the way. Very nice one. I can tell you that you get a very premium feeling. So what you're going to pay for, you are getting a lot of product for the amount of money you're paying for. It does not feel cheap in any way, shape or form. The materials that are used are very strong, solid plastic and metal from the looks of it. Now, I'm just gonna guide you around it. So if I start from the front here, that part there that is a bit silvery or silver in color, that part is on both sides, and is a magnet where you can put the bits you're going to use with this specific tool so they don't fall out. So it has that option on both sides. Now we have the clockwise and anti-clockwise option, as I'm showing you here. This is the power, and there is a LED light as well. Now on the top, you should have option of power 1 and option of power 2. Let me see if I can show you the number. So you can see 1 and 2 depending on the use. And now you get torque levels from 1, I believe, to 19. And then of course you get the drill option as well. Again, depending on the type of use. Now this specific one has the normal drill head that, like most of the other products out there in the market have. Clockwise to lock it, anti-clockwise to open it. Again, to put the drill bit in there. Now this one has two parts, which you saw in the beginning from the box itself. The way to open it or take this drill part out is with your left hand. If you push the red part as I'm doing here, this will come out, and then you should be able to use the normal universal bits, either a flathead or a Phillips, and it should be absolutely fine. And pretty much that's it. To put it back, just scroll the red part towards your left side, and then you should be able to click it inside. And that's it pretty much. It's as simple as that. A very nice tool to have. Small, is definitely a bit heavy, I'm not gonna lie. So after having it on your hand for a while, it definitely will, you'll get tired. But it's a small one. It's definitely a smallest version drill. Now you can either get this battery, which is universal, but also there's another battery which is the 4 ampere hour battery, which is double the power. So which is this one here. Again, it comes with 3-year warranty. I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see the information. And also this is compatible with the X 12 volt Team series, like you saw in the beginning of the video on the original box of the cordless drill. So if I guide you around the box. And that's it pretty much. Now this specific battery, Lidl will sell it for $14.99, but I guarantee you that if you were to go online, there's no way you'll be able to find it less than 20 pounds. I've seen it between 20 up to 30 pounds, even 35 for this specific one. And Lidl sells this for $14.99. Now, I was lucky enough that I managed to get one of them with 30% off, and I paid, you should be able to see here, or hopefully, it does say $10.49. So I managed to get one of them for $10.49. Now, if I open the box itself only has the battery, and it will have the booklet or the owner's manual, instructions manual, with the option of the PDF barcode. Now, the good thing with this one, except having 2 ampere hours more than the actual normal one, is that you can left the drill actually stand, so it wouldn't fall. So you can actually leave it sit upside up, and that's it pretty much. So either you can use the small version of the battery, or you can use the 4 ampere hour or the 2 ampere hour. But again, for roughly 30 pounds with a normal battery, what you're paying for, you're getting a lot of product for what you're going to pay. Again, in my hands, it does feel like a premium product. If you have a small workshop or do some sort of hobby that actually will require you to use such a certain tool, this is definitely worth the investment. One thing I believe I forgot to show you is that once you press the power, it has 3 options, which is the green, orange or yellow, and the red option, which shows indicating the level of battery. But let me see if the other battery has better charge. Yep. So as you can see from here, you get the green, yellow or orange, and the red, and that will indicate the level of the battery on the actual drill. And that's it pretty much, guys. A small nice cordless drill from PARKSIDE is definitely worth the investment. It does feel nice, it does feel premium, so you're getting what you're paying for. Thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, stay safe and take care.